Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the Daily Rant. Of course, today's Daily Rant has to do with Microsoft not being totally fair when it comes to Windows 10 to Windows 11 upgrades. And we've seen it with a video that I posted today about Windows 10 that had a banner, a little bar that said, got to move on to Windows 11. It's better, but, it's on a machine that cannot upgrade. And then you get to the page, and it's a page that resembles this. It's a little different. But it tells you, well, you can upgrade to Windows 11 for fantastic reasons of a better operating system somehow. But when it comes to explaining, well, if your PC is not compatible or not supported, it doesn't explain anything except, here are great manufacturers and great places to buy a new computer. And of course, we know that two things can happen. Three things in reality, but one that, of course, Microsoft will not talk about, which is moving to Linux. Don't expect Microsoft to say, well, go from Windows 10 to Linux. That won't happen. But the two other ones, one is, we've got a trick. You can check out this page and see that you can upgrade to Windows 11 unsupported, meaning that your PC is not supported, but if you use these tricks, you can move on and have Windows 11. But they don't really like PCs that are unsupported. So they push you to, let's go on to Windows 11 through a new PC, rather than saying, because they don't mention it. We know that there's a 1-year extension that's $30, but no word of it. Nowhere. In the wording, there is a little something. It says, to continue getting free security updates. So they kind of hint at it, but people won't read that. That's not what they see. Unless you know it, you won't see that. You will be like, I got to buy a new computer. But yet, I think it would be a good thing for Microsoft to put on their pages of upgrades. We have this $30 1-year, continue getting security updates if you wish to keep Windows 10. But they don't mention it. And they don't mention it for a very simple reason. They don't mention it because they want you to move on to Windows 11. They don't want you to keep Windows 10, which is an embarrassment right now because Windows 11 is only at 38% this month after more than 3 years of existence. Windows 10 was way higher than that at the same period. So, they just want you to get rid of Windows 10. But at the same time, creates, of course, e-waste. And for most people, it's like, it seems that the only way out is buy a new computer. And of course, a lot of people on this channel are talking about that. It's like, yeah, but buying a new computer is not cheap. It's like, it's a lot of money spent. So, I don't know. Microsoft, come on. Okay, just take, the rabbit out of the hat. Explain to everybody. You know what? Want to keep Windows 10 on your unsupported computer? Well, we've got this program, $30 1 year. You'll have another year, and then you'll see. And of course, there's other alternatives, but for the sake of Microsoft, talking about Microsoft, we'll talk about only Microsoft. And so, say it. You got a 1 year for $30. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.